So today I am taking the topic from magnetic effect of electric current, class 12th. So this is magnetic field due to a straight current carrying conductor. Suppose we have a conductor, we have a long conductor in which current I is flowing. So this is a long conductor, infinitely long conductor, you can say infinitely long conductor, and we have to calculate the magnetic field at distance r from this current carrying conductor. So this is point P where we have to calculate the magnetic field due to this current carrying very long straight conductor. So for this, for finding the magnetic field, we have two methods, one using Biot-Savart law and other using Ampere-Circuital law. So today I am discussing the Ampere-Circuital law. So what is Ampere-Circuital law? Ampere-Circuital law. So according to this law, B dot dl and the integration and closed loop or closed loop or closed circuit equals mu naught I. So what is mu naught here? This is permeability. Permeability of free space. So this is mu naught. And this is magnetic field, and this is the small part on the circuit or on the loop, and this is the current enclosed by the loop. So for using this law, Ampere-Circuital law, firstly we have to draw Amperian loop. So I am drawing the Amperian loop. So Amperian loop must pass through this point P where we have to calculate the magnetic field. So I am drawing this Amperian loop, which is a circle. So this is Amperian loop. And I will take a small part dl. For using this law, I will take a small part on the loop, on this loop, which is this much. This is dl. So this small part is dl. And you know very well that the magnetic field due to a straight conductor is in the form of circles. तो जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा वो सर्किल की फॉर्म में होगा, और जो एम्पीरियन लूप है हमारा वो भी कुछ इसी ही तरह से है. सो व्हाट विल बी द एंगल बिटवीन बी एंड डी एल? सो द एंगल बिटवीन बी डॉट डी एल मीन्स बी एंड डी एल, एंगल बिटवीन बी एंड डी एल इज 0 डिग्री. 0 डिग्री बिकॉज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन भी यही है ऐसा, और यही डायरेक्शन है dl का, dl small dl circle. So this is 0 degree. So I am using this law. So B magnitude, since A dot B is, what is A dot B? You know very well this also. This is A B cos of theta. A dot B equals AB cos theta. So magnitude of B is B, and dl and cos of angle is 0 degree. And integration, closed integration, for closed loop, this is mu naught into I. Okay, what is I? I is the current enclosed by the Amperian loop. So this is the Amperian loop, and what is the current enclosed by this loop? This is I. Okay, so this is I. So cos 0 is 1, and I am taking B at outside. So dl equals mu naught I, and this is dl. And integration means this length. Integrate means this length. So what is this length? This is the circumference of the circular Amperian loop. So this will 2 pi r. Since r is this distance, so 2 pi r is the radius, working as radius, and mu naught I. So B equals mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. So this is the magnetic field due to a current carrying infinitely long straight conductor or wire. So from here you can see that B is inversely proportional to R. B is inversely proportional to R. Remember this formula only and only valid if this wire is infinitely long. यदि बहुत infinitely long या बहुत long wire है तब ही ये formula work करेगा. Okay, so if I draw a graph between R and B, so this is inversely related to R, B is inversely related to R, and if we go away from the wire, then magnetic field decrease. So the curve looks like this. Okay, so this is the curve between R and B. If we move away from the wire, then magnetic field will decrease. Okay, thank you.